How to fix Palworld crashing on Steam. So first you want to open up Steam and then go to your library. Then right click on the game and go to properties. Then click on installed files. Now click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking the files. And once it's done, you want to click on browse and then right click on Palworld's exe, go to properties and then compatibility, and make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, as well as the second option next to it. Run this program as admin and then click on apply OK. Now you can close this and go to general tab and try to add -dx11 if you're still experiencing crashes, and then click on play to test the game again. Now if you're still having issues with the game, what you can do is check your GPU drivers. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You can click on this arrow to check for the latest updates. And once it's installed, you will be prompted to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, you will simply click on play again to start playing the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.